Stop. What if I told you the moon is actually a broken piece of Earth?
That sounds impossible. How can a giant rock just break off?
It is 100% true. And today we will reveal the proof.
Did you know the moon was once part of Earth?
Wait, what? It broke off from our planet?
Yes! Billions of years ago, a planet named Theia hit Earth. The debris from that crash formed the moon.
And why, Joy? Why do we always see the same face of the moon?
This is called tidal locking. Did you know that the moon rotates at the exact same speed it orbits Earth? So, one side is always hidden from us.
Are the footprints of astronauts still there?
Yes, Neil Armstrong's footprints are still fresh because there is no wind or water to erase them. They will likely stay there for millions of years.
Is it true that the moon is running away?
Sadly, yes. It is moving 3.8 centimeters away every year.
Will it eventually leave Earth's orbit?
Not anytime soon. It will take billions of years.
Is the moon dead and silent inside?
No, the moon actually has moonquakes, where Earth's gravity pulls and stretches the moon. This causes the moon to shrink like a raisin.
What is on the dark side of the moon?
It gets sunlight too. It is called the far side and has more craters.
Can humans ever live on the moon?
Maybe. Scientists found water ice near the poles. We could use that water to make rocket fuel.
This was an amazing journey, Susie. And now it is time for the quiz question.
How much would you weigh on the moon?
If you weigh 60 kg on Earth, would you be heavier or lighter there?
If you don't know the surprising answer, watch our new shorts video to find out. The link is below or in the comments. Bye-bye. See you next video.